Hello, this is Abigail with PinkStoneThreads, and this week I'm going to be unboxing Yarn Yay by Vicky Howell. This is the April box, and I believe it's box number 48. Let's go ahead and open it up. So one thing I really like about this box is how it's always packaged really nicely. I love to reuse the tissue papers that come in these, so this is another really pretty one. Oh, cool. So it looks like the theme for this week is socks. So the first thing I noticed was this little lost sock stitch marker. So that's really cute to kind of mark your progress. And then it looks like this is our yarn for the month. So it's been split up into two 50-gram skeins. It's from Earth Yarns, the Unique Sock, hand-dyed, self-striping, matching socks. 75% merino, 25% nylon, and it is colorway 55. So that's really cool. I've never actually worked with a split skein before, but basically it means that you don't kind of have to play yarn chicken and hope that your socks match up. These should ideally match up perfectly. So that'll be really cool to work with. Something I haven't tried before, so I'm curious to definitely dive into that. And then we have Stitchery Co handcrafted sock soap, and I opened this earlier. Just got excited about it because I could smell the box as I brought it into the house, and it is really strong smelling, which should be really nice. It'll definitely scent your socks a little bit. So lilac and lemon is the fragrance. It's really nice. And then we have our patterns for the week. So this, or the month. This theme is socks from the toe up, which is really cool. So I've never actually knit toe up socks, and I've never crocheted socks either. So I can try two totally new things to me. So here are the knit socks, and here's the crochet socks. And let me see if I can try to get another couple pictures without revealing the pattern too much. So there's another picture of the knit socks, and you can kind of see how that yarn works up. So it looks like a ridged pattern on top and then regular stockinette stitch on the bottom. So that's really interesting. I'm excited to try it with the split yarn so that they're more identical. And here are the crochet socks. So again, it looks like they went with kind of a ridged pattern. And here's another where you can kind of see the way that the yarn works up. It looks like it's kind of like a blue purple that fades into a like pink green. And then it looks like the heel on this sock is kind of orange and green. So that's really exciting. So I could definitely try two totally new things to me with this box. So definitely happy with it. Again, this is Abigail with PinkStoneThreads. Thank you so much for watching.